Welcome to this tutorial on downloading and installing LockDown Browser. LockDown Browser is a secure web browser for taking tests in Blackboard. Students will need LockDown Browser if they are informed that it is required by their instructor. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install LockDown Browser on your computer. To begin the process of downloading the software, you'll need to be logged into Blackboard and on the MyWKU-BB page. Locate the module labeled Software and click the LockDown Browser link in this module. The LockDown Browser download page should detect whether you are on Windows or Mac and display the correct information. If you need to switch, you can click the Do You Need link. You should also confirm that you're getting the LockDown Browser for Western Kentucky University. Since I'm installing on Windows, I'll click the Install Now button. Choose the location where you wish to save the installer file and click Save. In Chrome, the downloaded file will show in the lower left corner. If you're using a different browser, you'll need to locate the downloaded file. I'll click the file in the lower left. Choose the appropriate language. I'll leave English United States selected and click Next. When prompted, click the radio button beside I accept the terms of the license agreement, then click Next. When the installation completes, click the Finish button. You should see the LockDown Browser icon on your desktop and the application should be ready to use. If you have questions or need further assistance, please contact the ITS Service Desk at 270-745-7000 or online at wku.edu/its.